English version, class 5, mathematics, chapter 4.
Number 4. I told Geeta has 5/6 liter and Mamun has 13/8 liters of juice. Then how who was more juice and how much more? And 1 by 1 5/6 equal to 11/6. Geeta. Mamun has 13/8 liter. Then who is the more juice? Who has the more juice? 1 11/6 or 13/8. Here is a thinking matter. If you can decide here 1 liter, if you divide it 6, then by 11/6, 6 times 11, and here 8 times 13. So Geeta has more juice. And how much more? If we 11 minus 6 and 13 minus 8, then 6 and 8, 2 times 3, 4, then 24, 4 times 44, and 3 times 39, equal to 24/39, 5. That means Geeta has 5/24 liter more. Then answer, Geeta has more juice and 5/24 liter more juice. Thank you.